Data is the new oil, but how you are going to use it for your business. Today, we are going to discuss about data-driven marketing, and we are going to understand that how data can actually help you to grow your business. Now consider traditional marketing. In case of traditional marketing, what we do is we create messages around our audience persona, and audience persona involves a lot of guesswork. So basically what you are doing is you are guessing who is your audience, you're guessing what kind of message or creative they are going to like, and you're guessing that on which platform they are going to respond to it the most efficient way. Data-driven marketing takes that kind of guesswork and throws it out of the window, because we are not going to guess anything. Everything is going to be data-driven. So what is that one thing that we require to do data-driven marketing? It's data, right? And the collection of data happens in different ways. The first way is from our CRM platforms, our customer relationship management platforms, where we have all the data we need of our current clients. Then we can collect data from our website, because our prospective customers are coming to our website and taking some action. After that, we are going to take data from our social media platforms. People are organically engaging with our content, and we are going to collect their data from there. And the last one is our online advertisements. There also people are engaging with our content, and we are collecting their data. Now we have got all the data we need. Now it is not humanly possible to process that much of data. So what we are going to do is we are going to put that data into a data management system. You must have heard about big data. Big data was created for the purpose of processing a large quantity of data like this. And after the data is processed, now we are going to utilize it. With this data, we are going to create our audience personas. We are going to divide our audience into different segments, and each segment will hold audience of similar characteristics. And the characteristics would involve their interest, their demographic, their behavior. And that's how we'll get precisely targeted audience sets. In the next step, we are going to create messages and creatives for our online ads, which are going to be personalized for these particular sets. Now we have our targeted audience, and we have our messages and creatives with us. Now it's time to deliver those to the right audience. And right now, we are going to do it using our marketing automation softwares. What we would do is we'll feed all the data to the software, and we'll connect our online ad platform, our email marketing platform, and every delivery channels to it. And what it will do is it will decide that when to deliver these messages to the people or to the audience actually. Let me give you an example. Suppose you are doing email marketing, and in case of email marketing, it is very much important that when we are actually sending that email and when that person is reading it. So if we can send the email on the perfect time when that person will read it and the message will actually hit them, then our marketing efforts are going to be successful. Your marketing automation platform does that for you. It checks when the person is opening that email, and according to that, when he is actually responding to it. This makes your marketing effort really effective. So this is the whole process that goes into data-driven marketing. And what we are accomplishing from here, we are being able to target our audience more precisely, and we are being able to segment those audience. Now we are creating messages and creatives for those particular segment which is going to be very personal and which is going to hit them really well. And we are delivering those creatives to the right people on the right platforms at the right time. This is basically the purpose of data-driven marketing. It is going to make your marketing efforts much more efficient, and it's going to give you a better return on investment. So I hope you can understand that behind all this, data is the main driving force. So the statement stands correct that data is the new oil. So let me know what other topics you want me to discuss about digital marketing, and I'll create videos on them. See you in my next video. Bye bye.